you guys go to the back.
So our summer camp, we kind of take our kids through kind of the basics of acting and drama. We start with kind of our actor's toolbox, which is our voice, our body, and our imagination. And we use different theater aspects to bring those together and, teach them the basics of acting. I think we see a lot of kids kind of come out of their shell, getting to kind of be in front of other people and performing. And it also just kind of teaches them, in general, a big confidence booster to be able to kind of bring those elements together. I love the kids, and I think I love seeing their imaginations and sort of what they are able to come up with. Fostering that creativity is kind of why I do what I do. Being able to bring theater to the schools, I think, is really rewarding.
All right.